this is an island packet, which is a motor sailor from America, and the owner wanted to be environmentally friendly, so he's having copper coat done on the boat. The old anti-fouling has been taken off, and he also wants to put plastic type through-hole fittings and seacocks on there, made by a company called TRUDESIGN in New Zealand, who are the leaders in this field. And we're going to change all the seacocks on there for TRUDESIGN so that the owner is happy. With copper coat, if you have brass fittings, which is normal on a boat, the copper in the copper coat will react with the brass, so it can cause corrosion much quicker. Whereas with plastic seacocks, we don't have that problem. There is no corrosion, there's no interaction between the copper and the plastic, and so it works very well.